Welcome to our lesson on finding equivalent fractions. When we say two fractions are equivalent, we mean they represent the same part of a whole. For example, 3/16 can have equivalent fractions such as 6/32, 9/48, and so on. Let's see how to find these equivalent fractions. To create equivalent fractions, we multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number. Take the original fraction 3/16. To get 6/32, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. Let's try another one. To get 9/48, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. This gives us 3 multiplied by 3 over 16 multiplied by 3 equals 9/48. This will work for any factor of numbers above 1. Also, multiplying or dividing by 1 won't change the fraction, and multiplying by 0 gives a meaningless result. Now, it's your turn to practice. Use any multipliers you like to create some equivalent fractions for 3/16. Let's review. Equivalent fractions are just different expressions for the same value. As long as you consistently multiply or divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number, you gain new equivalent fractions while keeping the same overall value. Happy practicing, and see you next time.